Go ahead.
Alright, this is the elevator at the Kleberg Animal Science Building in Texas A&M.
Matthew just called the elevator in case you were wondering, and half of the light bulbs are burned out. This elevator's got an epic motor. What do you think of this, James?
Yeah.
You can go and send it up to the top floor.
Okay.
This thing scrapes this time.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's listen. This thing's kind of rough since last time. Let me send it down to the basement.
Okay.
And the motor stops.
Mm-hmm.
This is the service elevators, you know. We got Matthew right there. What do you think of that?
Doesn't sound good.
Yeah, this thing does need some attention.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's slow going down too. It's slower since last time. All right, now don't press any buttons yet. When the door closes, select 1. I'll close it up.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Alright.
These are your fixtures, and there's your non-88 phone. Listen to the motor going up when the door shuts. Epic.
Mm-hmm.